Is the side shelf on your Blackstone 1554 bent, cracked, or hanging loose? Today we're swapping it for a brand new one. Shelf, brackets, and all the hardware. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams, angles you'd never catch on camera. This one's about as easy as it gets. 15 minutes, a screwdriver and a wrench, and no heavy lifting. Let's get into it. Step 1. Pull the old shelf. But first, the 10-second safety beat. Knobs off, tank valve closed, and everything cool. Done. Back out the 2 small thumb screws under the shelf and slide the shelf post up and out of its mounting bracket. If the bracket itself is bent or cracked, unbolt it from the body too. The new kit comes with fresh ones. Step 2. Mount the new brackets. They're stamped left and right. Match the stamp to the side because they're mirrored and won't seat backwards. Bolt each one to the body with the kit hardware. Washer against the body and snug them with the wrench. Snug, not gorilla tight. You can square them up once the shelf hangs. Step 3. Hang the shelf. Slide the shelf post down into the bracket until it seats fully. Then run the 2 thumb screws in by hand and give them a final quarter turn. Then push down on the outer corner and set a plate on it. Solid, no wiggle, and dead level. Before you call it done, run the checks. The shelf sits level, no sag at the outer edge. Both thumb screws are snug, with the post seated all the way down. Grab the brackets and try to wiggle them. Nothing should move. And remember the manual's limit. 10 pounds max on the shelf, and it gets hot near the body, so nothing that melts lives up there mid-cook. Pass all 4, and this repair is finished. That's the whole job. The exact shelf kit is linked in the description. If this saved you a service call, hit like and subscribe. We do repairs like this all the time. See you at the next fix.